Yes, I'm here in the bush where I get the medicinal herbs that's used in treating different kinds of diseases. For instance, here, this one now I'm holding. Let me get it. So as you can see it, I see this one now. I see this one. It is called Uvaria Chamae. In our Herbal language, we used to call it Odag. Odag. You can see Odag. You know. And in English language, you refer it as banana bush or bush banana, anyone you call it. So you can see here, what is it used for? It is basically used for treating diabetes mellitus.